Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So from BRC there is recruitment for the position of scientific officer, which is level 10 job, group A gadgeted post in central government of India. Salary approximately you will get 14.14 CTC, and if you complete your BE BTech, BSc, MSc, MCA in any of the field, any of the branch, then you are eligible for this. This is the best part. Okay, all over India candidates are eligible and all branches are also eligible for this recruitment. So first let me discuss few things about this recruitment, because this is little bit different recruitment as compared to all the PSUs and other exams that we target on this channel. So first is OCS, that is orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates. So under this you all are eligible, means engineers also eligible, MSc भी eligible है, BSc भी, MCA भी, सभी लोग जो है इसमें eligible है. ओके अभी क्या है कि OCS के थ्रू डायरेक्टली यू विल गेट जॉब इन एज अ साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर in central government of India. Okay, and here 1 year training will be there, and after that, after completion of training, if you manage to complete or get 50% in that training, then you are eligible for this job. Okay, directly you will get employment in DAE, that is Department of Atomic Energy. Second program is DGFS, that is DAE Graduate Fellowship Scheme for engineering graduates. So this is only for engineering graduates, okay, not for MSc, MCA and BSc candidate. So here you can complete your MTech plus you will get job as a permanent job in central government of India. So for MTech, BARC will sponsor your fees, no need to pay any single fee, as well as you will get stipend also for this 2 year MTech. Okay, MTech is for 2 years, so for this 2 year आपको stipend भी मिलता रहेगा, plus आपकी जो fees है वो BARC आपको देने वाला है, ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ MTech डायरेक्टली यू विल गेट जॉब एज अ साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर, 100% गारंटी दैट यू विल गेट अ जॉब आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ योर MTech, ठीक है. सो दिस इज फॉर इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट्स. नाउ बेसिकली हाउ दे विल सिलेक्ट फॉर बोथ दिस प्रोग्राम. सो सी मेन थिंग इज दैट interview will be there, and after interview if they feel that okay you are very good for DGFS, okay, as specific to engineers, अगर आपको उनको लगा किसको इंटरव्यू पैनल को कि ये जो बंदा है इसका इंटरव्यू बहुत ही अच्छा है, इसका टेक्निकल नॉलेज बहुत ही अच्छा है, सो डायरेक्टली दे विल सेंड यू फॉर DGFS प्रोग्राम. एंड OCS इज फॉर ऑल, मीन्स दोज हु विल नॉट सिलेक्टेड फॉर DGFS बाय डिफॉल्ट दे विल गो फॉर OCS, ठीक है. So this is the two program. Already I made detailed podcast, quick podcast about BRC, OCS and DGFS recruitment. In the comment section you will get the link. I will recommend you, if you are seriously interested in this recruitment, then watch that podcast with BRC scientific officer. Let's start with important points. The first important point, 60% aggregate you should have in your graduation or in your degree, MSc, MCA, BSc, BA, BTech, उसमें होना ही चाहिए कंपलसरी. पोस्टिंग ऑल ओवर इंडिया यू विल गेट अक्रॉस DAE यूनिट्स. तो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ऑटोमोबाइल एनर्जी के जितने भी यूनिट्स है उधर आपको जॉब मिल सकता है किसी भी लोकेशन पे बेस्ड ऑन रिक्वायरमेंट. एग्जाम सेंटर्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया रहते हैं, तो कुछ भी टेंशन लेना नहीं है. सफिशिएंट एग्जाम सेंटर्स आर देयर ऑल ओवर इंडिया. Now most important thing is process. So see, this recruitment is through CBT also and through GATE exam also. So if you appeared for GATE 22, 23 and 24 अभी आप देने वाले हो, तो through GATE you can apply, okay. Plus second option you will get that through CBT also you can apply. Means suppose if you feel that your GATE score is less, then directly you can apply via CBT. It is recommended for all the engineers who wrote GATE exam कि आप दोनों मोड से अप्लाई करो, GATE के थ्रू भी एंड CBT के थ्रू भी, ठीक है. तो जैसे मैं फॉर्म फिलिंग वीडियो बनाऊंगा, इन दैट आई विल टेल यू, आई विल शो दैट हाउ यू कैन just apply via both the modes. Now the main thing is that after your GATE and CBT they will shortlist you for the interview, and main thing is about BRC that 100% selection is depend on your interview, okay. For GATE score and CBT there is no weightage, 100% weightage is given to PI. What is fee and age limit for BRC recruitment? So for general 26 years, age limit cutoff date is 1st of August 2024, okay. So if you born after 1st August 1998, then you are eligible for this recruitment. Total fees 500 plus bank charges, okay. For OBC 29 years, SST 31, PWD you can see 31 and domicile of Kashmir 31, okay. Then main thing is that for female and transgender candidate there is no fee, form is completely free for you guys. Then which branches are eligible? So this notification I will pin you in the comment section, okay. Just go through that. 99% branches are there which you are eligible for this recruitment, so no problem, okay. This is for BE BTech and this is for MSc candidate. So if you complete MSc in any of the field, BSc, MCA, Computer Science, IT, all are eligible for this recruitment. The best part for BRC is already they uploaded the calendar for this recruitment. So you can see form already started on 30th of December, okay. And here you can see that last date to apply is your 29th of February, okay. Then the most important, sorry, not 21, this is 31st of January. Then online exam you will get in 16 March, 17 March. Okay, it is tentative, but you can consider as a fixed. Then they will declare the result in the first week of April. Okay, then after that interview slots you can select, and interviews will be on May to June. And in the last week of June you will get final selection in your BRC recruitment. Okay, so from July August they will start the training, and then you will get the job. Means in 6 months you will get this job for sure. So just prepare very hard for this recruitment if you are serious. Okay, so this is all about your BRC recruitment. If you have any query, any doubt regarding your qualification, regarding notification, regarding anything, comment down below. I will definitely help you in that. The next video will be your form filling, and after that I will make preparation strategy video, how you can prepare for this exam and how you can crack this exam. Okay, everything in detail we will discuss in our strategy video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to join Telegram and WhatsApp group, which is most important. All the links you will get in the comment section. And don't forget to watch podcast to get motivation before preparation. All the best.